So this morning we are talking about container farming, and as you can see behind me, you have a number of containers containing different kind of plants. Container farming is a method of farming where the producer or the farmer gets some container which can contain material to support the growth of the plants. And in container farming, you can, since it's not a large scale farm, you can go basically organic, and it's basically organic. So as you can see here, in this container farming, we're having some soilless media over here. This got from the dung of horses, which has decomposed for a number of times. And then as we still move on, let's see some of the advantages of the container farming. As you can see over here, container farming does not require any big space. And the space here cannot even be compared to half an acre which the containers are sitting on. So container farming can be done behind your house, backyard, and that's one advantage of container farming. And then the beauty also of container farming is that as you behold the crops grow like this, it has some psychological effects on the individual. It can help you live long, and it can also prevent you from getting ill and other kind of stuff. So container farming is very, very important. That's beauty. And disadvantage, you can see that with container farming you cannot go large scale because it's the stuffs are grown in containers, and for you to go large scale you cannot feed the whole country or your community with container farming. So that's the disadvantage of container farming.